Yeah guys, quick video here about this ELEGOO 3D printer filament. That was a 2-spool set, and the type what we have here, that's called Rapid PETG. So that's how I got it. Looks really nice. Also nice coiling here. Nice vacuum seal, and I've already been printing some stuff here. I'm also printing, just open this quickly so you can see that I'm really printing from this one here. Everything looks really nice. So what's the result? I mean, printing process has been really nice. It's never blocked or so, there was no tangling. That's really important. Here we can see also some recommendation regarding printing temperature and printing speed. So they are saying should work up to 600 millimeters per second. What I've been using here is a little bit slower speed, especially for the first two items here. That was even super slow. I've printed these two parts in around 5.5 hours each, and they have been printing really nicely. You can see absolutely flat when I hold it here. That's super important. I mean, such large items are super hard to print without warping, and that's the reason why I've been using super slow speed, maximum around 100 millimeters per second. Here I've been using a little bit higher speed, up to 250 millimeters, still far from the maximum recommendation. I mean, this printer here can print with up to 500 millimeters, but at the very end, the time benefit compared to this speed here with 250 millimeters was just a few minutes. So I decided to go with this setting here, which is the recommended speed from the manufacturer of this printer, which is still double the speed compared to this one here. And I'm usually not printing that fast because usually it's producing some warping. Of course, it's very important to use the right temperature for printing, and I think I had it here also, and so we can see the result. And so here we can definitely see some warping. When I put it here on this side, there's almost no warping. Here it's pretty perfect, but that's the upper side and that's the lower side, and you can see there was a little bit of warping. When I push it down here on the left side, you can see there's a little bit of lift up here on the right side. Let's also check down here. It's really just very minimal, but we can see that. So I would say if I print this for me, I would definitely go with this speed. If I print for selling, I would definitely go with the lower speed. But it's still pretty amazing what I've been able to achieve with this Rapid PETG. I think the best results with this fast or at least medium speed printing. I've never been able to use such high speed and only getting very little warping here. So for me, definitely a brand where I'm going to buy again. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I paid full price, but again, I would buy it anytime again. Zero problems and really good results. By the way, of course, the white, maybe also something which is super important to know. Here I have real bright white, so you can see that here, even though it's cold white, it's a little bit off-white, some kind of light eggshell. That's also important to know. I mean, most of the white PETG is a little bit off-white or eggshell. I haven't seen a lot of really pure white, but I think it's still a very good choice. Definitely no complaints so far, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.